Here's a 2016 Chrysler Town & Country. With plenty of room to stretch out and pack things in, this luxurious and innovative Town & Country will become your home away from home. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: auto-dimming rearview mirror, power liftgate, dual-zone climate control, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, multi-speed automatic transmission, leather bucket seats, Uconnect with Bluetooth, external memory control, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and Pentastar engine. New Car Test Drive reports the Town & Country is a great vehicle for families that need to haul kids and cargo on a regular basis. Chrysler, where bold ideas merge with brilliant innovation. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Visit today. We're conveniently located at 6520 State Route 96 in Victor, New York.